Today's adventure is the Bushbaby Duathlon in Mukono.
So where's the bicycle race?
It consists of all kinds of riders, technical support, coffee stations, and spectators. An off-road duathlon consists of mountain biking and trail running stages. And they're off. The fans look excited. The farming trails also cross a lot of small villages, where marshals and fans give directions. Did I mention that the participants come in all sizes?
Tired?
Yeah.
Keep going though, right?
Yeah.
And some work as a team. What goes up must come down. Check out the fans of all sizes. But it's not all dirt. There is a paved road section. Wow, fast food stalls.
Let's try a street food.
Yeah, good.
Salt?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 3,000.
Yeah. Thank you.
Gamey or chewy?
Time to run. On the way back.
That's what I thought you said.
Bushbaby 2022.
The final ceremony with lots of awards, but I think the guy who deserves the t-shirt is the one that crashed.
Sort of a crash, yeah.
He got back on his bike and finished the segment. And he has the badges to prove it.